Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for affiliate program in Booking.com. Now the website is not opening for me, or sorry, I can't register with the Booking.com, but I will demonstrate how it's done from here, right? So basically what you're going to do, you're going to register and sign up with the affiliate program basically. And as you can see right here, it's not opening for me because, man, I don't know. And basically after you sign up with your affiliate network, select your region and complete your registration with your CJ, right? And then promote Booking.com, add links, banners, and other easy to use tools to site, and then generate revenue. Basically you're gonna earn commission every time a person will visit the affiliate the booking the booking link that you share to them. Now your commission split as start is 25%, and this is 25% of the commission Booking.com receives for each booking, right? So I'm gonna if you can make money right here, you're gonna know that there's a lot of people who want to make money, a lot of options. Booking.com can help you make money, whether you are a travel agent, a tour operator, and or just someone who wants to turn their love of travel into the business, right? So it's pretty profitable option to be registered with, right? Basically, what are the sites that affiliated with Booking.com? When you join the Booking.com, you will benefit from extensive advertising on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. You might also appear on one or more of their 7,500 affiliate partner websites, including TripAdvisor, Agoda, Kayak, and Trivago. So basically, you will have a lot of benefits of going to be affiliator for to the Booking.com. So basically, the affiliate earns commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique affiliate link associated with their recommendation. So you will get a link of your own, and you're gonna share it. You're gonna see like there is a link for the product maybe, or the thing that's that a lot of people wants to buy, and with your username or your domain, and basically you're gonna be able to share it, and every person who comes to buy that or book that tour, hotel, or whatever it might be, you will get a commission. Now, when do you want to get, or how you can get the commission? Now, most affiliate programs pay their affiliates once a month, but some also pay when the affiliates net earning exceed a certain level. So it's not conditioning only to once a month or like a check, but you'll be able to get a lot of profits at certain times, maybe less than a month, in order if you had a lot of visitors. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.